Hello children.
Hi sir.
So here your classmates are Gautami and Sana. Both of them are drawing what? Diagrams on the green board. Actually these diagrams were drawn by Narayan. And these two girls also helping in what? Drawing these diagrams on the green board. Okay. Today's topic is reproduction, unit 6. Narayana, unit 6, reproduction. Page number 118. Yesterday we discussed what? Parthenogenesis and also parthenocarpy. Datura. A datura plant flowering parts. So today we are discussing what? Vegetative propagation in plants. Vegetative propagation or natural vegetative propagation. Natural. For example, listen carefully. The vegetative parts of the plant can give rise to new plants. Listen carefully, boys. The vegetative parts of the plant can give rise to new plant. Suppose if you pluck a leaf of bryophyllum and put it in the ground and keep on the ground. After few days, it is producing what? New plant, gobi, new plant. Suppose if we cut the branch of a hibiscus with node, and if you what? If you place it, the stem in the soil, it also grow into a what? New plant after adding water. And these parts are called vegetative parts. These parts are called vegetative parts. So here page number 118, there you see leaves also helpful to give rise new plants. And stems also they give rise what? New plant. And roots also they give rise what? New plant. First we are discussing leaves. So in case of bryophyllum, actually this diagram is not drawn on the green board. Page number 180 is there, you see. Bryophyllum diagram is there. Leaves. So new plants grow at the edge of bryophyllum. So bryophyllum plants generally we observe in gardens. And also some homes also, some houses also, they grow in pots. And they are having what? Thick leaves. And at the corner, at the edge of these leaves, they are producing what? Small plant. So here leaf is also act as a part, which is a vegetative part, which can give what? New plant. And that is called natural vegetative propagation. Leaves in case of bryophyllum. New plants grow at the edge of leaves in case of bryophyllum. There you see small plant they are growing at the edge of the leaves. That is called a natural vegetative propagation, leaves in case of bryophyllum. Okay? And now I am telling you, just to see below that, stems also give rise what? New plant. For example, stolons and runners, they are having what? Weak stem. They grow on soil. They are having what? Weak stem. And these weak stems, they are producing what? Roots, adventitious roots. Suppose if the stem part is broken, if any incident, and the part of the plant which is having what? Roots, it also grow and lead independent life. So here these what? Runners and stolons, they are helpful for the vegetative propagation in many plants. Here you see first one, page number 119. There you see bulb. It is a stem. It is a modified stem. And then you see what? Tuber in case of potato. Next you see friends are what? Stolon. Example what? Strawberry and jasmine. And next you see friends are what? Colocaceae, corn. And next you see friends are what? Bud, root bud, Malictoria. That is root. But remaining are stem. Onion, you know well. So daily we are eating onions. You are all see the onion plant. And onion plant is having what? Bulb. It is not root. Actually, this part is not root. buds. And this is not root. The roots are present here. And this is what? Modified stem. This is called modified stem. This is called modified stem. What? Aloe vera or onion. And this is called what? Tuber. So this is potato. Potatoes they produce. So potato plant produce what? Potatoes not in the branches, on the branches, or from the axil of leaf. And potatoes they grow in the soil. And potato is not a modified root, it is a modified stem. It is a modified stem. Some stem parts are remain in the soil, and at the edge of the stem they store food, and finally it become bulb. So it is a modified stem. Potato tuber. Potato tuber. It is not a root. Potatoes are not roots. They are modified what? Stem. Some stem they remain in the soil, and at the edge of the stem what is present? Food is stored, and finally they become bulb, and it is called as a tuber. It is a modified stem. Example potato. And next you see what? Stolon. There you see jasmine and strawberry. So it is also a stem, and these stems also give rise what? New plant. And next you see what? Corms, colocasia. It is also modified stem. It also gives rise what? New plant. And next you see last one, root bud, Malingtonia. Malingtonia is a plant. You know Murraya, Karevapak, in Telugu Karevapak it is called. Malingtonia, it is Murraya. Murraya plant are Karevapaku plant. They are producing what? New plant from the roots, not from the seeds. Suppose if you want to grow what Murraya plant, what plant you need? Roots or fruits? Root. So from the roots they are producing what? New plant. Murraya. That is called Murraya. In Telugu it is called as Karevapak. And now I am reading the examples of a different stem modification. And these also helpful in to give rise what? New plant. The new plant, and these are all what? Natural vegetative propagation without our any what presence, and they are producing what? Their own plant by themselves, and that is called as natural vegetative propagation. Natural vegetative propagation. Example. Come on, all of you read it. Stolon. Jasmine and bulbs. Onion. Corms. Colocasia. Rhizome. Ginger. Ginger means what? Alum. So here ginger is a modified stem but not a root. Ginger, it is a modified stem. It is a modified stem. And next you see tuber, potato. And next you see what? Roots. That is Malingtonia. Roots of Malingtonia and also Murraya. So all Murraya. And all these are the plants which are producing new plant from their vegetative part naturally. And this is called as natural vegetative propagation. So without our will, without our presence, and these animals, these plants, they are producing what? New plant from their vegetative part. Leaves in case of Bryophylla. Stem in case of all these. Root in case of Murraya or Karevapak. So these are what called the vegetative part. The vegetative part. These vegetative parts are giving what? New plant. And this is called as natural vegetative propagation. So one of you please come and read the examples there on the green board. One, please come. You are coming? Neha is coming. Read loud. Come quick. Fast. Read bigger.
Stolons, jasmine, strawberry, bulbs, onion, corms, colocasia, rhizome, ginger, tuber, potato, roots of Murraya, Goa.
Murraya, Goa. And next, boy say. Please come. Your name? Nagendra. Come quick. Fast. Read. Stolen.
Stolen, jasmine, strawberry, bulb, onion, palms, colocasia, colocasia,
Rhizome.
rhizome, ginger, tuber, potato, roots of morea,
Wow. Thank you. So here all these are got plants, and these plants are producing what new plant from their vegetative parts, and that is called as the natural vegetative propagation. In case of plant, page number 118 and 119, unit 6, reproduction. Okay, thank you.